all of you. Today the topic that is the introduction of pisciculture. Before that, what is meant by the pisciculture? Simplest way we explain about the pisciculture, that is the breeding and rearing for their economic value. Means breeding and rearing, one type of, that is the fish farming. In the simplest way, we will know about in Marathi or in Hindi, that is the Matsya Palan. Matsya Palan means pisciculture. Matsya Palan means pisciculture. That is the fish farming. That is the pisciculture. Right? Rearing, breeding of fish under control condition. That is all the purpose, all things that is the known as the pisciculture. One thing is that is the process of production, rearing and transplantation of fish, proper condition in a controlled manner. It is also called the pisciculture. There are the different type of definition of the pisciculture. In the short, pisciculture means Matsya Palan, that is in English fish farming. One thing is breeding, rearing for the economic value, known as the pisciculture. This is the different type of definition of pisciculture. Then culture of fish farming is obtained for fish and fish product as a food. One thing is that related to the pisciculture, that is the aquaculture, but the aquaculture is different because rearing, harvesting, farming with commercial important in fresh water and marine water, that is called the aquaculture. But in pisciculture, only and only in the fresh water. It can be cultured in only and only in the fresh water, not a marine water. This is the difference between the aquaculture and pisciculture. Right? Pisciculture is defined also the method of culture and rearing of fish and shellfish. The word, that is the Latin word, that is the piscis, means fish. That is the piscis means fish. Fish culture, that is the pisciculture. Simple things. Then one thing is that I would like to say that the freshwater fishes can culture in ponds, lake, reservoir or artificial where your water is reserved, in which you can culture the fishes. That is the Matsya Palan, that is the pisciculture. Then important things of the pisciculture or the introduction part of the pisciculture, you have the land, means or you can take the land from other person or the farmer on the basis of lease, or you have the land. That time it is the important of pisciculture, that is the introduction part, that is the water is essential for the pisciculture. Depth of the pond is important for the purpose of breeding. Next, that is the sunlight. It is very important for the purpose of pisciculture, for the culture of fishes also. Temperature is also the main important. Physical factor is also the main important. Fishes are cold-blooded. You know very well, all fishes are the cold-blooded. They adjust the body temperature depending upon the atmospherical area. It means that environment is also cool. The chemical condition of water, that is the dissolved oxygen, is also maintained. pH is also maintained. All these things, it is essential for the pisciculture. Right? It is the introduction part. Already I told that is the Latin word piscis, which means the fish. India has the area of natural and artificial water bodies for the purpose of paddy fields, lake, pond, river and reservoir. It means that in India near about the 5 river system, 60 to 70% water surface area of India. That's why the freshwater fish culture or the pisciculture or the culture of fishes is very easiest way to culture the fishes in our India. The Advisor Board of India, that is the central government, India Council of Agriculture Research, giving the sponsor to fisherman or the farmer to solve the unemployment problem, promoting the fish culture method. They give the new ideas. You can culture the fishes or fish farming, Matsya Palan. तुम्ही मत्स्य पालन करा. They told, they give the ideas, the support, 50%, 60%, 70%. They give the subsidy for the culture of pisciculture means fish farming means matsya palan साठी they give the advisor board of India. Today, many states of India, especially West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Orissa, pisciculture is carried out. Especially for Maharashtra is also carrying the pisciculture in some district. It is a best way to culture the pisciculture or the fish farming. Then next one, the importance and the scope. Pisciculture classify into small scale fish farming, large scale fish farming, commercial fish farming based on the scale of production. Means that if you have the land that is 1 hectare, that is 2.5 acre. 1 hectare means 2.5 acre. 1 acre, 2 acre. Do you know very well about the acres? Those who are the farmer, those who have the land, they know the 1 hectare, that is the 2.5 acre. If you have the 1 hectare, or if you have the 1.5 acre, that time you can culture the pisciculture, that is the fish farming. The line is related to that, that is the small scale fish farming, large scale fish farming or commercial fish farming based on the scale of production. What is your the capacity of production? What is you can culture? What have your capacity to rear or culture or fish farming? It is depending upon the you. This is the scope. Culture of fish farming to obtain fish and fish product as a food with good commercial value. Means if you have culture in 1 hectare or 1 acre, the fishes are very important. They are the edible fishes, that is you know very well about the katla, rohu, mrigal. They have the valuable food fishes. They have the vitamins A, vitamins D. They have the good marketable value 300 to 400 or 400 to 450 rupees per kg. It means that the scope and importance of pisciculture, that is you can culture within short time also, you can culture in 1 hectare, you can culture in 1 acre also. It gives the more benefit to you in a short times, because you know the katla, rohu, mrigal have the fast growing rate. It means that within 6 months, 7 months they have 600 gram, and the rate of the katla 400 350 rupees per kg. Means one type of fish farming is very beneficial and have the scope to solve the unemployment problem. And main thing is that all fishes are the herbivorous, means very important to the dieting also, to the human being also, for the purpose of food. Okay.